Hello Code Gurus, welcome back. In this course, we will discuss about how to create a responsive UI using Quasar framework. So this course is divided into 7 subsections. So the first section involves about the design. So as a part of this design, we will go ahead and conduct a virtual workshop with our client and try to get an idea about what exactly he wants us to build. And once we get the idea about what exactly he wants us to build, we will proceed with the layout and colors information from our client. So once we got all this information like the idea, the layout and colors, we will go back and create a final design and present it to our client. Once he is happy with the design, we will proceed with the mapping and slicing of the design so that we are all good for our website development. So before we go ahead and start making our hands dirty, first we will walk through a few basics which are related to Quasar framework. So the first and foremost is the project structure, and then we will discuss about layouts and pages in Quasar framework, and finally few view components which are provided by the Quasar framework out of the box. So once we are done with that, we will proceed and create a toolbar, and then which is followed by a header section or a banner section, and then once we are done with our banner section, we will proceed with the body section part 1 and 2. And finally, we will conclude our session by creating a footer section. Alright then, let's proceed with the workshop. So the first question is like, what do you want to build? So the client reacted to us like, I need a home page which adapts based on my user device. Okay, that exactly. So what does that mean? So that means if a user is using a mobile device, then I need to display him a mobile-friendly website. And similarly on other devices. That sounds interesting. So you're saying your website should be a responsive website. Okay, cool. That sounds pretty good. So what do you expect to display on this homepage? So on the top left, I want to display a codeguru logo, and on the top right side, I need to display a horizontal menu, which consists of like 3 buttons like courses, sign up, and sign in. Okay, excellent. And just below to that menu section or menu bar, I needed a banner section which asks our users to join our codeguru community, and maybe some logos which goes in complement to that banner. Okay, excellent. Anything else? Yes. Below to our banner section, I want you to create a section which displays our latest videos, or at least 3 latest videos from our courses, and a separate section which is following that latest videos would be a featured course section. Okay, excellent. And finally, at the bottom of the page, I want you to display the copyright information. So I think this overall information which we got from our client gives a brief information what he is expecting from the homepage design. All right then. So now that we got a better idea, let's walk through our client with the layout and color designs. So over here, there is a website called as Collect UI, which has a collection of ready-made designs. So this will help, we will be taking up this website help in trying finalizing the layout from our client. All right, so now that our client asked to design a home page, it falls under the category of landing page. So our client has taken some time and came back with a solution that he needs a design somewhat which looks similar to this design. All right, so with this picture, now we are clear what he is expecting, how his home page should look like. All right then, let's proceed to the next part of our journey. What are the colors? So again, there is a website called as Coolers. What you can do is just by pressing your space bar on your keyboard, you can get a combination of your colors which or themes which you can use it on your website. So again, our client went back and he took some time and he came back with this set of colors. All right, that sounds excellent. With that, we have successfully walked through our client with the designs and colors. Now that we are equipped with all the information, the idea, the layout, and the colors, Let's go back to our UX developer and ask him to improve the home page. So our poor UX developer has taken all the information which we have just ingested from our client, and he came up with a very excellent design. So this is what our final design is going to look like based on our client's input. So let's ask our client whether he is happy or not. Wow, that's a big thumbs up. Looks like our client is very much happy, and we have been spot on with all his requirements. All right, now that we are spot on with his requirements, let's proceed to the mapping and slicing section. So this is what is going to be our final design of the home page when it is displayed on the website, or sorry, when it is displayed on the desktop. So over here, if you see, as described by our client, here is a top left we have a logo, and on top right we have three buttons which displays like courses, sign up and sign in. And then we had a banner section which displays information to ask the end user who is visiting a website to join the website, and some logos which complemented that banner. The next section which he was asking us was to show some latest video section, and he was asking us at least 3 videos. So this was the design which we presented him, and again he was pretty much happy with that design because it matched exactly his imagination. And finally, what he said was he needed even a featured courses section below the latest videos. So again, we went back and we created a featured course section, and when we showed this design to him, he was pretty much happy, and again he said like it was spot on, exactly what he was expecting. So finally, this is a footer section where he was saying he wanted to display some copyright information. So we displayed that copyright information over here. So excellent, this sounds like a perfect design. Let's proceed to the mapping or slicing. So what do you mean by mapping or slicing? So the previous design page which you have seen was the outcome from a UX developer. So UX developer is the one who takes all the text kind of information from the client and converts into a design. So he has successfully created a design. Now we need to take this design and start creating the web pages. So in real time, it is the UI developer who does that. So before we ask the UI developer to start creating the web pages, he needs to do a task called as slicing. So what do you mean by slicing? So he takes the design and he breaks them down into multiple images or pieces of code. So how he does that? So this is if you can see this outline of the design, he exactly imagines that entire design as rows and columns. I repeat, our UI developer is imagining the entire design as rows and column. If you see over here, this menu bar is considered as one row. Banner section is considered as one row. Latest lessons is considered as one row, and the videos which are being displayed is considered as different row. Similarly, the case with your featured lessons. And you can even see he's imagining them as columns. So learn full stack development from industry experts is one column, and all the logos which are displayed on the home page is on the other column. So this part of imagining the web design as a part of like rows and columns and into different component sections is nothing but we call it as slicing in real time. So now that we have done with our slicing, in our upcoming video we will proceed with the Quasar basics. I hope you have liked this video. If yes, please do not forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends. And also please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon in order to get instant notifications. We are also available on Twitter, so you can follow us on Twitter at codeguru_io and on Facebook at codeguru.io.